Okay guys, as I showed you in the still pictures, this is what I did with the die cut of the bird cage. I want to show you how they look in real time. I didn't do anything to the tops of these, but I did put I put the yellow cut out inside it. You just insert it like that. You could put any color you wanted or make them any color you want. You could even put like clear, or you could just leave them as they are. And this one I tied the top and put a ribbon on it so I could hang it. That's what the little bird cages look like. This is an awesome place to buy things. They're really good sturdy dies, molds, and beads, of course. All the links to everything I have shown in my video today will be in my description box down below, along with Cobeads website and a coupon code. Go check them out.